Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're at the 501 shelter. We are done with Pennsylvania. So I'm going to give you a little peek inside here. There's Coach over there stretching her legs out. Here's our friend Reboot from Australia. And I didn't get your trail name. Do you have a trail name? Do you have a trail name? Do you have a trail name?
Yeah, Catman.
Oh, Catman. That's Catman over there. So they're our bunkmates tonight. Alright, now what I'm going to do is, that's our line for clothes. There's a little fire pit. And what I'm going to do is, you had a question, one of the students at A.W. Becker, the third graders, had a question about how come sometimes we go north and sometimes we go south. Well, what I did was I drew out our Pennsylvania plan, and the big rectangle there is Pennsylvania, and you'll see the arrows on the lower right. That's where the Appalachian Trail goes through Pennsylvania. There's 230 miles. So when we started on May 8th, we were down in Penmar, and we used this place that we're at tonight, this 501 shelter, as the midpoint. So if you think of Penmar to the 501 shelter, and the 501 shelter to the Delaware Water Gap, you'll see New Jersey and New York is kind of where those states are. And what we did was we broke it down into 4 stages, and we have 2 cars, remember. So we would drive about 40 miles apart, park a car, and then hike back to the other car, which would probably take 3 or 4 days, about 40 miles. And then we'd get in that car and then jump ahead. So on our first stage, we went from Penmar to Pine Grove Furnace. We put a car at Penmar, a car at Pine Grove Furnace, and then we hiked. Then we took the car from Penmar and we drove it to Duncannon, and then we hiked from Pine Grove Furnace to Duncannon. So you'll see sometimes we go north, sometimes we go south. It depends on where our car is. Remember, it's called leapfrogging. It's where you put the car in one spot and another car several miles ahead, and you hike to the car, and then you hop over the other car. It's a little confusing, but maybe with some explanation from Miss L and Mrs. Valerio, you'll figure it out. But that's why sometimes the video, when you're placing our spots on the map, we're jumping from north to south. But tonight, we're done with Pennsylvania. So next week, we're moving on to Virginia. So you'll have to figure out where we're going to be in Virginia. All right, everybody, take it easy, and we look forward to talking to everybody. Bye.